Alright, so this I'm doing 2 videos today. And this is, I don't know what to do with this hair, so I'm gonna put it on and see if I can get some inspiration from it. Alright guys, so this is not bad at all. I actually love this now. Before, when I put it on, it was just looking so crappy to me. I was like, I cannot believe I chose this wig. What was I thinking? What threw me with this wig is the part. Cause what side did I have the part on? Oh my god, I so love this hair. Why? I mean, I was annoyed with it, yo. I was like, I don't know what this is. I think what threw me was how long this was. I was like, why is it so god almighty long? But look at this. This is nice, right? You know what happened? I had glitter brows today, and I think that's what threw me, the glitter brows. Because with our hair like this, with this deep side part, my brows are going to be erased by the end of the day. Hell, probably in 15 minutes of wearing this wig. So that's why I chose to do the glitter brows, because I wanted to wear this wig. But I love it. What's her name? What's her name? I didn't even look at the heifer's name. What is her name? Where's her name? Magic Lace. Okay, so it's called, it's Lavender Silver. That's the color I'm wearing, and it's just called MLC174, and that means Magic Lace Curve. So MLC Magic Lace Curve, and to me this kind of mimics what do you call it? Invisible part. Ooh, I love this hair. I love the color. I love the bobbiness of it, and I love it. It's nice, yeah. I love it. Yes, Divatress, come through. And again, iron safe and everything, but I know it's synthetic hair, but it's iron safe. I know, but it's so affordable. And for synthetic hair, I'm just like, come through, please. Thank you. Are you coming through? You should come through. No, you need to come through. Thank you. You can have seat when you come through. Thank you. You know, like, thank you. I love it. I'm glad I chose this one, and I love the color. Now be prepared, because I wear wigs, and a lot of them, I'm gonna be choosing some wigs with some color that I can't really do to myself. So yeah, and this is one of them. Ooh. Alright, so let's talk about the shedding. Minimal shedding, but yes, shedding. And of course, no tangles at all. I didn't wear it for long. I just had it on, trying it out, and took it off, but not putting it back on. I'm like, yes. But oh my goodness, this hair is from Divatress Wigs, divatresswigs.com. How could I have not said that to you? But yeah, so I will keep you guys updated via Snapchat and Instagram, of course, when I post. This is so nice, you guys. I love it. This is my favorite one yet. I'm gonna look for more bobs, but one that like stops here. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for staying through to me with the end, staying through to the end with me. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and I'll give you updated via my social media networks. Talk to you guys in the next video. Again, Divatress, thank you so much for sending me here to review. Every single wig you've sent me, I really love, except the half wig one. I don't know what to do with that yet. I know what to do with it, but it's like, oh, I'm gonna have to work, which I'm gonna turn it out. Alright, mama's gonna come back with that wig turned, hunty, turned. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye now. Oof. It's hot. I'm hot. You hot? Hot.